Stepping on this plane means goodbye,
Yes.
America. I mean, see you soon. I don't know when.
Soon muna. So, nakaupo na kami dito sa seats namin. Going to Tulum. Ano yung na-witness natin kanina?
I think 98% looks like na to is mga kaedad namin, mga late 20s or actually 20s lang. Wala akong nakitang like up 50s and above, walang bata, and sikat nga yung Tulum for digital nomads and mga nagpa-party.
Mag-soul searching muna kami dito. Ina-navigate namin kung saan ba kami dadalhin ng wind after dito. Super excited na kami. Sabi ko nga kay Jaime kanina, what if hindi kami nagpunta ng Cancun last year? May isip pa kaya namin na bumalik ng Mexico? I don't think so. And sabi ko din kay Jaime kanina na yung idea na ginagawa namin is so absurd. Plus points na lang kasi we both speak Spanish since we serve missions in Chile. Pero it's going to be a different universe sa next destination namin. And looking dito sa screen, yung travel time is only 1 hour and 59 minutes. So it will be super quick.
Hemos llegado. Esperamos que disfruten de su viaje. Y si han llegado a sus lugares, bienvenidos.
So we are now heading to our bus. Yung red, yung sasakyan namin. 40 minutes siya to get to our hotel. We finally made it here in our hotel. Overnight lang kami dito because tomorrow pa yung check-in namin dun sa i-rent namin na apartment for 3 months.
And then ayan, more mirror. Look! And then ang view. Ito yung closet. Diba? Ano ba ito? And then, yung AC andoon. Tapos, ito yung bathroom. Hello. Ayan yung shower. So spacious. Ayan.
Ito yung unang horchata namin.
First tacos of this trip. Oh my gosh. And then Jaime ordered an additional plate.
Chile relleno.
Chile relleno. And eto na naman po tayo sa unlimited tortilla. Of course, tacos for breakfast agad. Taco de chorizo, taco de pollo, and taco de cerdo. And then akala ko soup yung mga yan, hindi pala. Dip. Okay, review.
So, pero madali makakontrata. Kala mo binili namin, no? Hindi. So, first official day namin dito sa aming bagong community at naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon, so di namin alam papunta saan. Naghahanap lang kami ng taxi papunta sa supermercado.
Goodness, 9 Mexican peso. That's equivalent to $1. Oh my gosh, wait. 1 kilo. Paubos na siya. 14 pesos. Only in Mexico. Oh my gosh. Snacking in the middle of grocery shopping. Tortilla wrap. Sabi niya hindi pa daw nagsisink in na dito daw kami nakatira ngayon sa Mexico. Grocery update. Yung pollo nila or yung chicken thigh nila, 18 Mexican peso. And then nag-convert na ako, of course, $72. No, 72 cents sa dollars. What? And then of course, we're not Filipinos kung hindi kami bibili ng arroz or rice. We need the rice. Just got back. First batch of groceries for our first month here. Fridge namin, super brand new, new as new. With all the tape. So kami ang first tenant dito sa apartment. And mag-aayos muna kami ng mga grocery. Also, yung mga gamit namin. Update. So, we've been unpacking yung mga grocery namin earlier. Oh, and by the way, can you guess how much it cost para grocery lahat ng mga supply namin kanina? So, yung nagastos namin kanina was 4,800 Mexican pesos. Kinonvert na namin earlier and it was just $192. First meal in our new apartment, sinigang!
Kalain mo na kapag sinigang tayo. Wala lang ang patis.
Sinigang in Mexico, and of course, white rice. Morning! It's our first official morning here in Tulum, in our apartment, and we're gonna have breakfast. Guess what we're having? Cornflakes and dupe ng Coco Crunch. So, ang agenda namin for today is babalik kami dun sa hotel kung saan kami nag-check-in yesterday. No, the other day. Kasi nakalimutan namin yung blanket namin. And then after that, we're gonna head back to Chedraui para bumili kami ng mga iba pang necessities namin dito sa bahay. Update! We are finally out and about. Pupunta muna kami sa laundry para magpa-laundry. Si Jaime, dala-dala niya yung basket namin.
Alakad na kami sa katotohanan, makikita nyo. Para lang kami sa matatalaib. Yung mga bahay, normal lang na mga barangay.
While walking, we came across this carnitas merchant. Meron na budol. And oh my goodness. Basically, karinderya ito because 30 pesos lang siya per pyesa. Unlike dun sa restaurant. And makikita ninyo from here kung paano nila hinahati yung mga karne.
Okay, dahil ang budget namin for taxi ay nagamit na pambili ng tacos, maglalakad kami pa uwi. Pumili si Tori ng 1 kilong tacos. Pero meron na kami tortilla sa bahay, so ilalagay na lang namin sa taas. And pwede siya i-freezer para ready na yung tacos.
Tacos every day, okay.
So parang $15 yung 1 kilo ng karne.
Tacos over taxi. Finally, after 10 years, magpapagupit na siya.
So ito na si bagong gupit.
Nagpagupit siya kay Kingsman.
$16.
Sinusundan kami ng tacos! Oh my gosh! Ito yung karne na binili namin kanina. Meron pa sa freezer. And then we also bought yung freshly made tortilla from Chedraui. And then, the toppings. And my additional na mga hot sauce kaming binili. Good morning! It's Friday here in Mexico. And it's 9:52 a.m. we decided to get out of the apartment para mag-walk around and explore yung neighborhood namin in the morning.
So right now, we're heading to La Veleta. Yung katabing neighborhood ng neighborhood namin, which is ang Aldea Sama. Tignan lang namin kung ano meron doon. Mas maraming cafes daw. Mas maraming apartments. Mas maraming digital nomads. At developing pa lang yung La Veleta. Kaya makikita nyo, yung sa amin, sementado na lahat. Yung Veleta is lahat dirt. Akala mo hindi pa developed yung lugar kasi putik lahat, pero meron mga luxury na mga hotels and mga bars around. Yung kalsada lang talaga yung hindi developed.
After so long, we finally found the digital jungle. Doon sa digital jungle, meron siyang membership. Meron daily pass, weekly pass, and monthly pass. And then we went around. So basically, para siyang computer shop, pero dala mo yung mga gamit mo for you to work. And there's a lot of digital nomads. Work from home, andun sila, and super ganda ng space nila, super peaceful and all. And then pagkalabas mo ng digital jungle, meron ding mga ibang mga shops and restaurants. And then we came across this gypsy market. Basically, para siyang Whole Foods / down-to-earth vibes. Lahat organic, though medyo pricey siya, pero yun yung goal nila because ang dami ding mga foreigners around the area. Out and about na naman kami. Of course, every day is an adventure. Nag-rent kami ng scooter for today for 24 hours. 600 Mexican peso. Ipipick up namin siya ngayon. And mag-e-explore kami around Tulum. Moped update. Nasa amin na ang mga helmet and ang moped. Ready ka na?
Ready.
Start! Hi, may got me this drink. Sabi niya, berry smoothie. Ooh la la, more snackies.
So everything is healthy. Yung isang dessert na yan is $10. Sugar-free, dairy-free, healthy.
First dip in the water.
So kanina nandun kami sa Playa Sur. At dito naman kami sa Playa Norte. So Playa Norte naman yung lugar na to. And dito yung daan namin or yung quickest way para makapunta kami sa may Chedraui, kung saan yung parang supermarket nila dito at meron kami kasi nakitang mga street tacos doon. So doon kami ngayon papunta.
We finally found the streets kung saan maraming street tacos. Super mas affordable dito because 25 pesos lang siya per piece compared dun sa mga kinainan namin the first few days when we were here. And talagang tinitake advantage namin ngayon because we have a scooter. So nakapag-ikot-ikot kami dun sa mga barangays kanina and then we found this spot which is perfect. So hinihintay lang namin yung order namin ngayon and then we're gonna eat. This is what we ordered. 150 Mexican peso lang lahat yan. Oh my gosh. Tacos is not complete without an horchata. We got this for 30 pesos. Oh my goodness. And then nag-order pa ng more si Jaime, yung barbacoa. Everything is just so good. Oh my goodness. If naamoy nyo lang kung ano ang niluluto nila ngayon. Good morning. It's Sunday. Don't mind the tissue in between my head and the helmet. Kasi pinapawisan yung ulo namin. Okay. We're gonna ride a scooter to church. What an adventure, no? Never ko namang inisip na mag-church ako with a scooter. My goodness. Amazing. Good afternoon. It's still Sunday. We just woke up from a nap. Magwa-walking kami. Look at my fit. Leggings, white shoes, and white shirt. Para saan ka magwa-walking? Sa street tacos. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh! Guess what we found? We got one each. $5 lang siya. $5 lang! Meron na kaming tigisang dessert. Amazing! We're heading to a cenote. So, basically, yung cenote is a sinkhole. We've been to quite a few cenotes already last year when we went to Valladolid. But this time, siguro 3 minutes pa lang kami naglalakad and then we'll eventually get to the Aldea Sama cenote. Sabi nila, hidden cenote daw ito.
So, ang tawag nila dito is Cenote Aldea Sama kasi yung pangalan ng village is Aldea Sama. Pero yung totoong pangalan ng cenote ay Kokoro.